In this video you will learn about the road mapping workspaces in ADOIT. First, you need to create a new workspace. Pick one of the three road mapping templates. Application-based roadmaps start from a set of application elements, such as application components or application services. Capability-based roadmaps begin with strategic elements like capabilities and courses of action. Goal-based roadmaps are built around your goals, outcomes, and drivers. In this video, we will create a goal-based roadmap for demonstration purposes. Enter a name, a description, and select the users you want to collaborate with. Make the workspace private and only participants will be able to see it. In the second setup step, you can choose the main element type for the workspace. In the third setup step, you can choose a prioritization method for addressing your requirements. In the fourth setup step, you can choose the periods, months, quarters, or years in which your roadmap should be planned and displayed. Click Create Workspace to begin. In the first tab, select your elements for the workspace. You can also search your repository or add filters. In the second tab, you need to define requirements for each of the elements you have added. Click Add Requirement below an element to search for an existing requirement or create a new one. The third tab is where you prioritize the requirements you've just defined. Just drag them to the appropriate quadrants. In the next tab, you can plan due time periods for your requirements. Just drag the cards to the desired columns. In the Status tab, you can track the progress of your requirements. Just move requirements into the correct status column as their progress changes over time. In the last tab, you can see a summary of all the elements in the workspace. Here you have different visualizations to display your results. If you're interested in what's coming next, just click What's Next on the right display border. You can find more information in our online help. The link is in the video description.